Kikoff is a credit-building service designed to help users establish credit history, and approval is based on eligibility requirements and the information provided during sign-up. If you want to get approved for Kikoff, you'll learn what information to prepare, what can affect your application, and how to use the account correctly after approval. The first step is making sure your personal information is accurate before creating your Kikoff account. Check that your name, address, and other details match your official information, because incorrect details can create problems during verification. Kikoff focuses on helping people build credit history, so your goal should be creating a profile that accurately represents your current financial situation. Before signing up, review your credit reports if you already have credit history. Look for incorrect accounts, payment information errors, or outdated details that could affect your overall credit profile. If you find inaccurate information, contact the credit bureau, reporting the error, and follow their dispute process. Correct credit report information helps ensure lenders and credit services see accurate data. Your payment habits also matter after approval. Credit-building products work best when you use them consistently and follow the account terms. Avoid missing payments or ignoring account notifications. Set reminders, monitor your account activity, and keep your personal information updated. If you are having trouble getting approved, review the information you entered during sign-up. Check for missing details, incorrect personal information, or issues that may need to be corrected before trying again. You can also review Kikoff's current eligibility requirements before applying. Requirements can change, so checking the latest information helps you submit an application that matches what Kikoff currently needs. After approval, monitor your credit progress by checking your credit reports and tracking changes over time. Building credit is based on consistent account management, not just opening an account. The main steps are preparing accurate information, checking your credit profile, completing the sign-up process carefully, and managing your Kikoff account responsibly. Your next step is to review your personal details, check for credit report errors, and complete your Kikoff application with accurate information. If this helped you understand how to get approved for Kikoff, like the video and subscribe for more credit card and credit building guides.